Hi friends, Amy Love here, and I'm coming on today to share with you a swap that I was in with Gisela from Lavish Laces, and I will put a link to her YouTube and her Etsy shop below. And we decided that we would swap a snippet roll because I love making snippet rolls. It's my favorite thing. I would make them all the time. Give me an excuse to make a snippet roll. And she had never made a snippet roll, so I was like, well, let's just do it. And so she graciously agreed. And so this is the swap she sent me, of course, very beautifully wrapped, and I will take the things out one at a time so you can see. And look at this beautiful card. That's the only thing I've looked at on my own. I think you just did a beautiful job on this. And I did read the inside, and sweet friend, I hope you enjoyed the process is all I can say. And thank you for swapping with me. So beautiful, beautiful card. And I'm just gonna set the box to the side and kind of pull things out one at a time. Now there is this beautiful, look at this eyelet fabric it's wrapped in. Just gorgeous. And some really, really pretty, soft, dainty lace. I love these. I love this one because you can cut it right up the middle and have two separate if you want. Love it. And it does make such a pretty bow. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, let's set that right there. Just gorgeous. This is really, really pretty. Love it. Thank you so much. Ooh, I see sparkly things in there. Stop it. Now, those of you who might not know, Gisela and her store Lavish Laces, which I'm sure you must, she has beautiful vintage laces and other things, other vintage things like paper and just gorgeous things to play with. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that. And oh my gosh, look at this one. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, love. Oh, how fun is this little packet of laces? Thank you, friend. But we all love the laces, don't we? Oh, look at this one. So pretty. Gorgeous. Oh, look at these little flowers. So cute. So it's, what do they call that? Don't remember. You can thread the ribbon through it. I know there's a name for that kind of lace. It's escaping me right now, but pretty. And you could also cut them individually and just tie a bow in the middle. So cute. So cute. Love all the flowers. And here's another beautiful, you know, I do tend to go over and get her grab bags. She has some great grab bags because it's hard to decide for me, so I just go over and get a grab bag. Oh, look at this. I love the texture on this. Oh, I love that. That is going to be fun to play with. Oh, nice big piece of that. Thank you so much. Oh, I love that. I'm feeling some snippet tags. This is just bringing up a snippet tag situation for me. And I haven't made some in a while, so I would love to. This is gorgeous. It's got the pearls and the sequins. And can you just see the shine on that? Oh, the sparkle is gorgeous. Thank you for sharing. I am a sucker for some wedding trim. I love that. Oh, beautiful. Thank you. That was just so lovely, and there's still more in the box, but this is gorgeous. I think you spoiled me, Gisela, just right there. And now I don't, where am I going to put that? Okay. All right, and then, of course, y'all know pink is my favorite color, so I appreciate how everything is in some pink tissue paper. Love it. Am I the only one who tries to keep the tissue paper? I know, I have a problem, and I realize that takes longer, and I'm sorry, but I just like to keep the paper, and I like to try to rip it, you know, as little as possible. Yes. Oh, there's another piece right here. because I just love to reuse tissue paper. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me get it out of the... Oh, Gisela. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at the side. I love the layering of these laces. I think it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Oh, this really adorable bow bling I love. And then this lace bow. And then all of these flowers. And then these beautiful digitals, which I'm sure came from Ooh La La Vintage Treasures. Just gorgeous. Oh, I love this gold fabric underneath. I forget what you call that, but it frays really nicely. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a lace bobbin book. Brilliant. Absolutely love. And then here's a tag. Beautiful digitals. I love this like paper bag pocket. It's so cute. And then here is a like dyed glassine bag with a tag. So cute. And then look at these lace bobbins. Oh, you shared so much lace. Thank you so much. Look at how pretty. I love this. I need to make one of these, Gisela. Now I totally want to make one. I think there might be a video on our channel. Oh, I love the gold flecks in that. So pretty. Look at that. These are just gorgeous. Ooh, I really like this one. See if I can get my finger under there. Insertion lace. That's the word I was looking for. That you can thread the ribbon through. Insertion lace. Woo! I'm glad we finally got there. It only took like 5 whole minutes, but that's okay. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, look at these. I love an eyelet. And this one is like really thin. Look at that. Gorgeous. And then this beautiful with all the top stitching. Love, love it. These little dainty laces though, I love them. They're so perfect for tassels. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. So sweet. All right, now look at this shaker. Adorable. That's another one of Doreen's beautiful images. Just gorgeous. You gotta love a shaker. Love it. Okay, this is adorable. And look at all these layers. And I can't even bring myself to take any of the laces out, so this is just gonna sit pretty in my craft room. It's gorgeous. Gisela, it's gorgeous. Thank you so much. I love that. I haven't even got to the snippet roll, y'all. Maybe this is. Let's see. Oh, I already ripped it. I'm sorry. Me apologizing to myself for ripping the tissue paper. That's classic. All right. Oh, there's another piece of tape right here. I guess I could have just used my knife. I mean, scissors. Whew. Probably should finish that coffee. Oh, here's her first snippet roll. I'm excited to see it. And I hope that you enjoyed making it, Gisela. All right, first off, I'm in love because it's paper and lace. Yes, please. So she's got this base lace on the back, which is fabulous. Fabulous. And then she's got snippets of paper, which is just amazing. And then, oh, that is such a pretty pink. I love that with this heart. So cute. Look at that. Adorable. I love to look at all the layers. She's got this like trim at the bottom. So cute. Oh, it's another insertion lace. And it has that beautiful ribbon threaded through it. It's gorgeous. And look at this snippet. I think you did a fabulous job on this, friend. This is what a snippet roll is. It's a roll of snippets. And you did a gorgeous job, and I absolutely love that you used paper. too. That is like, I love that. I'm trying to think if I've even done that on a snippet roll. I've done some snippet strips that way, but I haven't done a roll, and I kind of really like it. Oh, I love this bow. And look at this beautiful wedding trim in the back. And this, I love this lace right here. It's just gorgeous. So vintage and beautiful. And this paper has like gold flecks in it. Really pretty. So pretty. And then I think that's maybe one of Doreen's Digital's back there. So cute. Look at these. Adorable. Yes, this is so cute. Oh, look at how cute is that. Let me get in. Look. Oh, so sweet. I hope you enjoyed making it, because it just is fabulous. And then there's this doily with this heart bling and this really pretty ribbon in between. It looks like a buckle slider maybe, and she tied that on. Gorgeous. Oh, look at these laces. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just all out of... I'm trying a new setup for filming with better lighting, but now my camera's kind of off to the side, and I have to remember that. Oh, look at all these yummy layers under this flower. Love that bling. So cute. I love all the stuff peeking out from behind. Oh, Gisela, it's so cute. I love your snippet roll. I think you did a fabulous job. Oh, excuse my bunny pattern. Sneaking off into the shot. It's so pretty. And this is why I'm obsessed with snippet rolls, because they're gorgeous. And you know what I want to do with this? I'm thinking I might wrap it around a box. I love to put a snippet roll around a box. It's a thing. Gorgeous. All right, and then I think there's one more thing in my box. Thank you so much. So let's get my little scissors out. Oof. Oh, I forgot to turn the sound off on my phone. Leave it to me. All right. I really shouldn't be using these scissors for this tape. And I know the scissor police are going to come at me. It's okay though. It's going to be okay. There's a lot of tape on this one. I don't know if I'm going to make it through. I think I'm just butchering it. Yeah. Alright, so I didn't save this tissue paper, because it's very well wrapped, Gisela. Thank you. Ooh. Let's see. Oh, look at how precious. Oh my goodness. Gisela, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is just gorgeous. Look at this. I love all the glitter, sparkle. Oh my gosh, friend, this is so cute. This is a gorgeous box. Again, I believe it is Doreen's Digitals. This is so stinking cute. I mean, I just want to look at this. I'm going to put it up on the shelf, standing up, just so I can admire it. It is so cute. I love, 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 love. Oh, look at the little compartments she made. Look at this sweet little box. Oh, Gisela, this is such a cute idea. I just love it. And she's got a bunch of long-stemmed flowers with stamens. Oh, so cute. This little bunch right here just reminds me of spring. And I got to tell you, I'm so ready, because my property is still covered in snow. But I am so ready. So ready for spring. And then here are some of the little flower petals. I guess it's like layered petals that you can put together and make a flower. These are so cute. Thank you. Love, love, love. Oh, look at this bling. Wow, that's so pretty. There's like, it looks like a shimmer mist maybe that she sprayed. I'm sure you're not going to see it on the camera, but It's shimmery. It's so cute. Love. And then look at this beautiful flower bling. Isn't that gorgeous? And more. Thank you for oh, well, that, look how tiny that one is. Oh, I love these. Wow, that's really pretty. That lace that you used for this one is gorgeous. And then here's another one. Some good flower making things happening here. And then look at this. Stunning. Oh, so beautiful. And then some gorgeous ribbon. Look at that ribbon. That is so pretty. And I believe she carries vintage ribbons too in her shop. Stunning. Oh, these are so gorgeous. I just love this little compartment box that you made. It's so cute. Look at these sequins. So pretty. And then some silver rickrack. That's always fun to play with too. And then look at the beads. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna take it out right here because I'll make a mess, because that's what I do. But oh, that's gonna be so fun to play with. Gisela, thank you so much. I love it. Okay. This is so adorable. I can't with how cute this box is. Gisela, thank you so much for swapping with me. I mean, everything is just absolutely stunning and gorgeous. And I believe she has videos on most of this, so please follow the link below to her channel. And thank you guys for watching. So I'm so glad that you stopped in. And apparently I'm just going to stutter, so I need to have some more coffee. And Gisela, thank you. Big hugs. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.